Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the half subtractor. In previous video we have seen the half adder and full adder. You can go through that concept for more information, and today we are going to discuss about the half subtractor. Half subtractor, it is nothing but the 2-bit subtractor, and full subtractor is a 3-bit subtractor, same as like half adder and full adder. Okay, half subtractor is just 2-bit subtractor. So it is a 2-bit subtractor, so it has the 2 inputs. Let us draw the number of inputs and outputs. This is a half subtractor. It has 2 inputs, let us say that as A and B. Every subtractor, remember students, every subtractor has the 2 outputs, that is the barrow and the difference. This is the difference and the barrow. Every subtractor has 2 outputs, that is difference and the barrow. So how the 2-bit subtraction takes place, let us see now. So 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. This is the 2-bit subtraction. 0 minus 0 is nothing but 0, and the barrow is also 0. This is the difference and this is the barrow. So 1 minus 0 is also, this is 1 minus 0 is 1 and the barrow is 0, right? So okay, next, okay, this is the difference and this is the barrow. 0 minus 1, we can't subtract 0 minus 1 without taking the barrow. That is not possible, so we need to take one barrow, that is one barrow. 1 0 is nothing but the 2, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. So 0, subtracting 1 from the 0 is not possible, so we need to take the barrow, that is 1, and from that by taking the barrow we get the difference as 1. This is the barrow and this is the difference. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0 and the barrow is also 0, right? No barrow is taken, so this is the difference and this is the barrow. So in this way the subtraction takes place, 2-bit subtraction takes place. So now we are going for the step 2. Step 1 is the finding number of inputs and outputs, that is finished, and now we are going for the step 2, that is writing the truth table. So how to write the truth table? So first of all write the possible combinations of A and B. The possible combinations are 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 combinations. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. These are the 4 possible combinations. 0 minus 0 is nothing but here we see 0 minus 0 is 0 0, difference is 0 and barrow is 0. So difference is 0 and barrow is 0. And 0 1, if we subtract 0 1 from 0 we get difference as 1 and barrow is 1. So that is difference as 1 and barrow is 1. If we subtract 0 from 1 we get difference is 1 and the barrow is 0. So difference is 1 and the barrow is 0. If we subtract 1 from 1 we get difference is 0 and barrow is also 0. This is the truth table. Step 2 is finished. Now coming to the step 3, writing the boolean expression from the truth table. Let us write difference as difference is equals to sum of minterms of this is 0 1 2 3, right? 0 1 2 3, right? So difference is nothing but sum of minterms of 1 comma and 2, right? Barrow is nothing but just sum of minterms of 1. Okay, let us write the expression for difference. Difference is nothing but we can write directly 1 is nothing but A bar B, right? So difference is equals to 1 is nothing but A bar B plus 2 is nothing but A B bar. So this is the difference expression, and the barrow is nothing but sum of minterms of 1. 1 is nothing but A bar B. So step 4 is minimization. We got the expression for difference and the barrow. Step 4 is minimization. So in minimization there is only one way, that is difference can be written as a bar b and a b bar can be written as a XOR b. That's it. There is no further minimization required. So this is the minimization. There is further minimization is not possible. So going for the step 5, that is hardware implementation. Step 5 is nothing but hardware implementation. Hardware implementation in the sense we need to draw the logical diagram for the obtained expression difference and barrow. Okay, that is the hardware implementation. And in how to draw the expressions, how to draw the logical diagram for these two expressions, we need to take let us say this is A and this is B. As we observe here, barrow has a bar, right? So take another one, that is construct the NOT gate here. This will become a bar, right? So construct the NOT gate here, if we construct NOT gate here, it will become b bar, right? So in this way, first, what is the difference? It is the XOR operation between A and B. So construct the XOR gate between A and B. You will get the difference A. Difference is nothing but A XOR B. Okay, if we next, barrow is nothing but a bar b, right? So construct, there is an AND operation between a bar and b. So construct the AND gate between a bar and b. Construct the AND gate between a bar and b. We get a bar dot b. That is nothing but a bar b. So this is the carry. This is the barrow. Okay. So in this way we need to implement, we need to draw the logical diagram for this. So in this way we design the circuit of half subtractor. In the next video we will see the full subtractor. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.